Hey, don't push buttons. Ready?
Emerson, I like Emerson. Emerson, I like Emerson. I like how she swims fishy in the river. Grammy loves you, Emerson. This book is called Bright and Beautiful, A Child's Blessing. To Emerson from Grammy. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, God made them one and all.
She got the start in the quarterfinal.
Every flower that opens, every bird that sings, He made their pretty colors, He made their little wings.
By the way, as a starter, you got to go back to March 25th.
The sunrise in the morning, the moonbeams late at night, all the tiny twinkling stars that flicker oh so bright.
Connect with Kelly Smiley. They turned 2 double plays yesterday.
The snowflakes in the winter, the raindrops in the spring, the summer sun and autumn wind, each amazing thing. But that's not all. There's so much more. God made each person too. The miracle of family, the wonder that is you.
This way.
May God bless you. May He keep you. May love never be too far. And as you grow, I hope you'll know how wonderful you are. Grammy and Papa loves you, Emerson.
Again. More? Can I read it again?
51 pitches so far
Emerson, I like Emerson. Emerson, I like Emerson. I like how she
Is that Grammy?
swims like a fishy in the river. Grammy loves you, Emerson.